So this is the UMP NPAS that I designed, and this is how it should look with the set screw installed and after you did some post-processing. This is how you get it from Shapeways. You need to make sure that this cylindrical body, that this is 7 millimeters or just below, else it will not fit in your nozzle. So you might have to do a little bit of sanding, as you can see I have done, because of the underlying black polymer, the black nylon that is showing through. After you've sanded that to size, then you can thread the grub screw in. Make sure that the hole for the grub screw or the set screw is between 2.4 and 2.5 millimeters. If you have the appropriate size drill bit, you can also check that hole with that, for example, and then just thread it in. So take your hex key, get the set screw started on the hole and just push and turn at the same time. It will self-thread itself in, and that will create enough friction that it won't undo itself. So after you've done that, you need to test fit it. So push the spring in, so the spring goes in first, then the end pass, and make sure that the tab is on the bottom, and then just push it through. Once you've pushed it through, you need to make sure that it can do this freely without any resistance. After that, you can just push with a tool, push it slightly in to make sure that you are clearing the crosspin hole, and currently I am not, but make sure that you are. Then you can get the crosspin started and hammer it home. Be careful, when you feel resistance, you're probably touching the valve. Prevent that. And that's kind of it. That's how you install it. Okay, so small update. It's kind of weird. Maybe I can try to show it, but not sure. It's kind of difficult to make it focus, I think. You see that speck there and the other one just below that? It's like greenish in color and it's like hard as sand, and it has multiple specks in the receiver. So that's kind of weird. You're more there, you see? That of course shouldn't be here. But further it kind of looks okay. So let me just grab this thing. So here we have the bolt carrier, and that thing is installed wrong. VFC still does that. It's kind of strange. But that's this plate, those two screws you can take out, and then you can flip that thing the other way around, and that is how it should be. Still a little bit of oil here and there. But I have to take out all these specks of green sand or something like that, because that is not supposed to be in this thing.